So I decided not to put in Aqua Regia again. I actually had the gold powder out. I should have showed you before. Let me see if I could tilt this. And it looks really nice. I mean, it is a nice clean brown consistency. It's hard to tell because of the camera angle. It looks like it's not a lot of gold at all. At all. So I'm a little disappointed by that. This solution's quite dirty. I added a considerable amount of SMB. I let it sit overnight, and I filtered, well, I decanted, I should say, everything out. So there probably still is some gold sediment in the solution. I did a stannous chloride test, which I'll show you again, and it's coming up negative. As you can see, there's no change in color whatsoever from the stannous chloride test. So I'm assuming we still have a lot of particles in here in this gold solution that needs to settle out over a couple days. But like I told you, I put this all in a large 5-liter beaker, and then after about a week or two, all the fine particles will settle to the bottom of that beaker. And then I'm gonna make a separate video of me refining that beaker. Well, not refining that beaker, but emptying that beaker and showing you the gold mud that's trapped in it. So you definitely don't want to get rid of this solution. You want to save it and let it sit out about a week or so. I'm going to take this little bit of gold that's in this filter. I rinse it out with distilled water. Then I rinse it with some hydrochloric acid. I'm going to try to heat this up into a bead and see what we end with. All right, I apologize for the barking. That's my dog chasing a cat. So I only have one torch right now. I normally use 2 map torches, but I ran out of gas. So hopefully I'm gonna be able to do this. But we're gonna give it a try. Put it in my little dish. Oh, actually, this is the one that I think is empty. Let me get my other torch. Bailey, stop. Looks pretty good. This is what we ended up with. I'm gonna heat it again because that little tail I don't like, it's about to break off. So I'm just gonna put it in here and I'm gonna heat it up again really quickly. All right, I got that little tail to melt in. It just looked really fragile. Looks really, really nice. It looks like a heart almost, actually. I'm gonna go inside and we will get a weight on this. If you look really careful, my dish is a complete mess, but I have a lot of really tiny pieces of gold on it. As you can see, I need to try to see if I can find a way to clean that out and maybe put all those little beads together. When they're that small, they're really hard to get to go together. All right, so that is what we got. It's actually a lot more than what I thought we were gonna get. Let's put this on the scale really quickly. And it is, wow, it's a lot more than what I thought. It's 14 grams. Look at that, 14 grams. So I estimated it was gonna give me 9.25 grams, and it actually gave me 14 grams. So that came out to, for every 100 grams of pocket watch gold-filled material, it gave me 3.78 grams of pure gold. So that's much better than what I thought, and it actually looks really, really nice. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you on the next video.